Hi, I am Dr. Mahesh Dattatray Hakke, consulting endocrinologist at Hakke's Endocrine Center, located near Appa Garden, Gulbarga. Diabetes. What is diabetes? Why it's so fancy? What makes it fascinating? People do come across and they ask us, so what are the early symptoms of diabetes and when we need to get tested? Type 2 diabetes is often called as a silent disease because most of the patients they don't feel sick in the early stages. In our region, that is North Karnataka, most of the patients they don't know these early warning signs of type 2 diabetes and land up with the complications. Many patients say, "Doctor, I felt fine. I landed up here because I went to a camp where my sugar was tested and it was high." So, what are the silent symptoms of diabetes? These are early fatigue, weakness, tiredness, increased frequency of maturation, increased thirst, increased hunger, recurrent fungal infections. These are why people often miss early symptoms of diabetes because they often don't know the symptoms of diabetes and they are very mild and gradual. They don't have the preventive screening test. And in our region, especially the North Karnataka, where the temperature is always high during all the seasons, they often recorrelate these symptoms to heat exhaustion. So, when you should get tested for diabetes, whenever you are aged more than 30 years, when you are having a family history of diabetes, if you are overweight, if there you are suffering from any of the other diseases like hypertension, thyroid problems, or if you have a previous history of gestational diabetes, at least if you are not having any of the symptoms, or even if you feel normal, at least getting tested once in a year is mandatory. So, the simple tests which you need to get tested are fasting blood sugar, postprandial blood sugar, and a HbA1c test. Early diagnosis prevents the chronic complications. So, the simple message is diabetes does not announce itself. It's we who need to be tested ourselves, and early testing saves many years of our healthy life. Thank you. For more details and guidance, kindly follow us.